All right, today we're gonna bring a open sign for your business or anywhere you want to plant it, and this is perfect if you're gonna have yard sales. This is a great attraction too. Also, now with this thing, you could put it in front of businesses, and then just make sure that it says open, and when you're closed, make sure you take it off. So the way it works is very simple. All right, now the way it works, you want to pound this, not this part, right? So when you hit it. So this thing is super tall. I'm gonna actually have two different videos so you guys can see how tall it is. And it's an eye catcher, this one. Now open, that's what it says. Now open. Very, very, very tall. I'm gonna stand right next to it so you guys can see it. So the sign, it says now open. And look how tall it is compared. I can't even see the top. It's about maybe 20 feet high. That's how it's an eye catcher, this thing. And it fits, it's very compact. It fits in a little bag. When the wind hits, you're gonna see it. It's like a giant sail. That's pretty much how it looks like. From the ground up, check it out. Look how high this thing is. It is high, and it's a giant sail. Easy to install. You can hammer as low as you want. Just to adjust the actual, you go adjust it here, the little grip here, to bend even more. But look, now open, perfect for any kind of business that you're gonna run. Like I said, businesses, yard sales, anything that you want to set up. Now if you're gonna do it in the cement, you're gonna need a different setup, all right? Something to hold this down, even a cement block or something. But right here we're doing it on a grassy area. I'm gonna demonstrate how easy it is to take off, all right? So taking it off, ready to go.